is the place known as Beavertail. It's in Jamestown, Rhode Island. It's quite beautiful. Today is a beautiful summer day. You wouldn't think it was fall or fall coming on. I like to come to the spot to photograph rocks in the sky, in the clouds. Of course, I love the ocean too. And there's some beautiful views of waves coming up, breaking on rocks. You enjoy all the color of the ocean, from green to blue. Really, most of all, what I like about the ocean is what it sounds like. Very peaceful. This is a pretty spot with the water rushing into this little tidal pool. Big wave. Wow. I've been coming to the spot just about for all my life, doing a photographic series called From the Walls of Pangaea. Geologists believe that some of these rocks are some of the oldest rocks in Rhode Island. And when the continents drifted apart, there was a supercontinent called Pangaea. This part of Rhode Island was probably connected to the western part of Africa. So if we went to Africa on the western shore, we could probably find rocks very similar to this. Whoopsie daisy. Pretty uneasy walking around. You have to pay attention. Of course, in the face of the rock shelf here, you can see the different types of rocks. It's a nice vein of quartz coming through here, and you can see it all through this rock. Very special place. I love the way the rocks were eroded here from the water. The softer part of the rocks were washed away first, and leaving these little holes in the harder rock. It's amazing what nature does. Oh, here's a beautiful tidal pool. So I'm going to put the movie camera down for a while and take some still photographs. The clouds are beautiful today too. Makes you wonder what I want to photograph first. Do I want to photograph clouds, rocks, or water? I'll probably photograph them all. I think I want to move from this spot. I'm a little too close to the ocean with these waves. I'm getting a little close to wave action. I don't want to be swept away. I always try to stay safe when I come here. And I know I'm pretty safe, but you can never tell when a bigger wave comes in. It'll surprise you. It's so beautiful today. Right now we're having the migration of monarch butterflies, and there are hundreds of them here, and there were a lot of them here just a few minutes ago. Of course, I didn't have my movie camera doing anything at that time. Let's see if we can find some flying around. There's all kinds of butterflies, not only monarchs. See American ladies and cabbage whites. Several I don't even know the names of. I don't know if I'm not sure if I'm getting this butterfly because I can't see it. It's so bright. My viewer isn't very bright in this camera. So this is all guesswork. Might be out of focus as well. We'll see. But I don't know if you can see these sailboats. This is quite a spot. Newport, Rhode Island is right across the way. It's a real good place to sail, very popular worldwide. It was the home of the America's Cup races for a zillion years, and I think